Hi, students, and welcome to week 7 in your online general psychology course. I hope that you are having a great week. I am filming this on the day that it went from 80 degrees, almost 90 degrees, down to literally freezing outside. So I hope that you have endured that weather change. And also, I just want to thank you for your graciousness as I am still recovering from my eye surgery and being a little bit slower with your grading from last week. So thank you for being patient with me. I am feeling a little bit better and able to focus a little bit more on the screen now. So hopefully it's all good from here on out. No more eye problems. So this week we are taking a deep dive into chapter 5, which is over the states of consciousness. So this chapter will teach you not only about the stages of sleep and sleep disorders, we'll also look at altered states of consciousness, such as everything from being under anesthesia to being under the influence of drugs and alcohol to hypnosis. So you should find this chapter particularly interesting, if nothing else, just maybe some tips on how to get more productive sleep. As you'll learn, not all stages of sleep are exactly the same. Some are more restorative and restful than other stages. And I'll also be teaching you about dreaming in this chapter. So let's take a look at what you have. Of course, read your chapter 5 in your e-textbook in your Connect account. You have a narrated PowerPoint here over the states of consciousness. And then we have some Connect assignments for the week. And because this chapter has so many different types of topics, I've tried to choose Connect assignments that would tap into some practice on that diversity of different topics from this chapter. So you have one on drugs interactivity, one Connect assignment on the stages of sleep. There's a newsflash assignment over daylight savings time. What happens to us when we lose an hour or gain an hour? Here we are in the spring, we spring forward. So we're about to lose an hour of sleep pretty soon this spring. So just some interesting things of the effects that it has on your health. And then another one, it connect over the meaning of dreams. So that's 4 assignments in Connect over those topics. And then, of course, your chapter 5 test. So there are no assignments outside of Connect for the week. They're all in Connect. Those 4 assignments, as I mentioned, in the quiz. You don't have a discussion question or a written assignment this week. So enjoy learning about the multiple stages of sleep, the different states of consciousness, the effects that it has on us. And thank you for all your work. We are almost at the halfway point. Next week will be week 8, and that is our halfway point of a 16-week course. So keep up the great work. You are doing an awesome job. And just as a little side note, I know that around spring break time, we should be able to see the schedules for the summer classes, and then on the heels of that will be the fall, and then of course registration for both summer and for fall. So I know it's hard, at least today, while it's 30 degrees and still February, to think about summer, but it's time to start just kind of thinking about what your plans would be as far as school. Have a awesome week. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me. And I'll be back next week to talk about our next chapter. Take care, everybody.